Hello and welcome to my channel. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. I start off by applying my base coat. I am now applying my base colour. I am now applying a glitter that matches my base colour. I apply white stamping polish onto the image I'd like to use. I tried to scrape only once. I roll my stamper over the image. I use a cotton claw with acetone to clean my plates. I add a drop of polish onto a silicone mat. I'm using a small dotting tool to fill in the image. I line up my stamper and roll it onto my nail. I am using liquid latex to protect my cuticles from stamping. I apply a clear polish to a makeup sponge and then I dab it onto my nail. Now I apply the decal I made earlier. I clean my stamper with a lint roller. I use tweezers to pull off the remaining decal. I use a brush with acetone to help melt the decal to my nail. I then peel off my liquid latex. I apply a fast drying top coat to seal in my design. I apply cuticle oil and massage it into my cuticles.